Hotel building near the southern bypass interchange, Syokimau railway station, Katani, a few meters north of Katani Road Junction. The works are scheduled to commence on 27th of April 2023 with contract completion date of 26th October 2025. This is a 30-month contract period comprising of 18 months completion period and 12 months defect liability period. The contract sum, Mr. Speaker, is 1.2 billion. 1.2 billion. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Kamene, are you satisfied? If you are, we'll do the next question.
Mr. Speaker, I just want some more clarity, because if I remember very well, there was a public participation that was done before the express highway got started, and it was agreed that there was essence of 5-foot bridges. The population, and because of the public safety in that stretch from Mulolongo to Hilton Garden, and the one which is most critical, the one of Kappa, because Kappa around there are so many industries, and the residential area, people crossing that road. There was one bridge that was supposed to be put there. What happens to that one now?
Minister.
Mr. Speaker, it is true that during public participation there were actual requests of more than 5 footbridges. But Mr. Speaker, of course, we work within budgetary constraints. If Honorable Member is, if I got her right, she's suggesting that there was a request for a footbridge around Kappa, around Nation, in the Mulolongo area. And Mr. Speaker, the truth is that the footbridge, the one I have read in Katani, is